Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to design a wash basin using design modeler of ANSYS Workbench. This is the shape that I have chosen for making the wash basin. So I'll start by double clicking on geometry. I'll right click on geometry and select new design modeler geometry. Units, I'll choose millimeter, XY plane. I'll go to sketching and I'll choose oval. I'll give it dimensions. This is 500 mm. And the vertical distance is 350 mm. I'll go to constraints and select symmetry. Next, I'll go to extrude. I'll select the sketch one, and the thickness is say 150 mm. Generate. Next, I'll click on blend, fixed radius. I'll select the lower face, and this is say 130 mm. And I'll select this face and apply and generate. Next, I'll go to thin or surface. I'll select here faces to remove. I'll select this face. I'll change invert to midplane and I'll give a thickness of 10 mm and generate. Next, I'll select face and I'll select this face and I'll create a new plane, generate, look at. I'll go to sketching and select circle. I'll draw a circle here and I'll give it dimensions. Say the diameter is 45. I'll give the horizontal dimension and also the vertical dimension. This will be 250 at the center, and this height is 45 mm. Next, I'll go to extrude and select the sketch. I'll select cut material, reverse direction and generate. Now I'll select blend, fixed radius for this upper face and I'll give this of 5 mm and generate. Also on this lower face I want to create a fillet. And generate. Next, I'll give fillet on this surface. I'll press Ctrl and select these surfaces. Apply and generate. And I'll give another fillet on this surface. Apply and generate. So this is how the wash basin would look like. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood how to design a wash basin using Design Modeler of ANSYS Workbench. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.